Hello guys, my name is Ronald and this is my YouTube channel. This channel is basically for forex trading, and throughout our time together we will be looking at pairs, forex pairs that are really moving. So this is a breakout channel. It's a channel dedicated for the breakout strategy. So we'll be looking at pairs that have broken out of the daily, of the weekly, of the 4 minute, and mainly the 1 hour. So once a pair breaks out of the 1 hour, we just jump in, we analyze it, and we see if we can make a trade out of it. Okay, so this is going to be our first video on this platform, and for today we are looking at the weekly analysis. So we are just looking at the weekly pairs. For today we are just looking at how the pairs have done in the previous week and how we think they will be doing for the week to come. So we'll come with me our first weekly forex analysis, and we will call it the weekly forex analysis episode 1. And this we will see the pairs that have broken out of structure. But like I've said, we are looking at the 1 minute of the 1 hour time frame. Like I've said, we are looking at the 1 hour time frame. So from the 1 hour time frame, that is our entry point to look at the pair. Once it breaks out of the 1 hour, we just come in. Then we look at what is happening to the pair. Then from there, we will be making an analysis depending on how we see the market. And hopefully we will inspire some people to either start trading or to take trading serious as part of something they can do for the future, or as part of a side hustle that can make them earn a living. Once again, my name is Ronald, and this channel we are looking at the pound and the dollar. We are looking at the pound and the dollar. So when you look at the pound and the dollar, you will see this kind of structure, okay, from the daily time frame. Okay, why are we looking at this? Because it has broken out of the structure. As you can see from the daily, it's going down, right? So this is now an opportunity for us to come in. When you look at the 4 hour, it has already broken this structure. So how do we come in? We cannot just jump in, okay? So this is the time when you have to pull your Fibonacci. Okay, so remember I said I am a breakout trader. So breakout traders will always look at the structure where the market has broken out, and then when the market will retest this area, then we will for sure join in. So let's pull out our Fibonacci. This according to our plan, from the highest to the lowest. Let's see, this is our Fibonacci from this point to this point, so that we can get an idea of where we can come in or join in. When you look at the structure, actually it looks like that of the Euro USD. The Pound USD and the Euro USD, they usually have the same structure. So when you make trades for both pairs, you're double risking. So you could either be making profit at the same time, or you could be making a loss if you have the two pairs together. So when you look at our structure now, we have an idea of where we can come in from. Okay, we have this point here, the 0.23 area from our Fibonacci. This is one of the areas we could just come in, or we could take it from this one, the 38.2 area, because we already have a confluence of other indicators that can show us that this is an area where the price could reverse from. So we have our entry points with us. One could be this one, or one could be this one. So for this order, we will take this or this one. I will show you. So we will come up with the short position for this one. Let's say if we choose to take it from here, or because it's a strong downtrend, then we will choose to take it from right here. So that will be our order. We will wait for the market to come back until here, then we will have our sell limit order just right there. For the take profit, let's have a look from the daily. So our take profit should be where the next structure is. with our naked eyes we could see that the next structure is just right here, just right there. But this is a lot of pips, maybe we could not easily get it easily. Okay, if you don't want to use your naked eyes, then you could pull out your line chart and you choose the sharp points. Okay, so for this area we could choose to be more specific. This is one short area. Let's see if there's some sharp points. Okay, we have one sharp point here, one sharp point here, this one. Okay, so we could choose this as our main point, or if you want to be really out of the market shortly, then you could choose this one. I think we should better take this one for now. Okay, so we have 2 points. We could either take this or this one. We would leave it until down here, but we would consider this our first take profit. So let's see from our candlestick. Yeah, so we have our first take profit is here, and our second take profit is right here. So now let's see where our stop loss is. Let's see from the 4 hour. Our stop loss will be just above this structure. You see where there's this structure, a small structure, just way above this structure. That's where we could have our stop loss. So for this, you have 3 entry points, almost 3 entry points. So from here, you could enter. If it takes you more here, you could still enter, or else you could enter from this point. Okay, but for all these points, you need to put, when the market will go up, for this point, we are putting a sell limit order. For this point, we will put a sell stop order. So we let it move, then we put sell stop. We let it move, we put sell stop, so that we avoid to be caught in the market when we have already other pairs in a loss. Let's say if it takes us in here, this pair would be, if it goes up, it will be in a loss. So for this one, we let it move up, but we put a sell stop order here. Okay, sell stop, sell stop. These two are sell stop orders. This is a sell limit order. Okay, yeah, and we already have our take profit, we have our stop loss, so we will just put it right here, and that will be what we are looking at for this week. That will be what we are looking at for this week. Okay, probably it will be with us, otherwise we will be out of the market until it takes us right there. Let's give it a watch. Let's see what will happen during the week. Okay, let's see what will happen during the week, but for now I think this will be our trade for the, it looks good because it's already in a downtrend, and from the 1 hour you see it's already trending very nicely. So just a pullback, we are in. All this pullback, we are in. If it decides to continue straight down, then we will let it go. We will let it go because it has already moved, really moved. So we cannot just jump in. It has already moved. That will be risking a lot. It has already moved, so we will just let it go. If it pulls back until this area, we are in. Until here, we are out. Okay, hopefully it will be okay for us. Yeah.